Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I think in the past 2 days, a lot of investors may be nervous because the market suddenly dropped a lot, and also it shows in my Robinhood portfolio this week. And this week's performance is negative 2.7%, and I lost around $28 from the account. So today I'd like to share how I would take this market drop as well as some recent news. So this week I will bring some stocks from my notification as well as some stocks I've been watching for a while. So I received the notification of AMD as well as QSR, so that's why I invested these two stocks. I feel like while this tech company may continue to rise, but for those traditional value stocks whose stock price has stagnated for a while, I feel like it's time to grow. So I have put in a lot of traditional value company, including Gilead Sciences, ticker symbol GILD, as well as CVS, QSR, Lowe's, Coty, and also lastly AMD, because I saw this is in the middle level of the Bollinger Band. I think it will bounce back, but in fact AMD has dropped a lot these 2 days, and it's far away from this target $100. So I think for this week, the negative 2.7% return, I think it's in my comfortable range of loss. That would be normal for investors if you're not a day trader. The market fluctuation is very normal. But this time, I think because the tech company has been increasing so much previously, especially Tesla and Apple, so I think this market adjustment is also reasonable. And for me, because of this 1,000 Robinhood challenge, I clear my account every Friday. But for my main account, I didn't do any operations. But today I bought more CVS stock because I saw the PE ratio is 9 and it's at a pretty low point. On these 2 days, I saw, although the tech companies has dropped a lot, but I think the fund has moved to those value companies because I saw a lot has been keep increasing these days. So that's why I invested in CVS today in my main account, which is a Webull account. And recently I also listened to some investing gurus about this market drop. Like yesterday I heard Bill Ackman talk about, especially before the election, stock market doesn't like uncertainty, so that's why it may be the panic sell, and it's hard to say that what will market lead to. But he mentioned he personally, since he's a value investor, he didn't do anything about his portfolio. And also I saw the head of Instinet, which is market making company. He said although he didn't expect that the market drop be this big, but he would feel like it should be some market adjustment, and he's still bullish about the market. And one more news which is related is that Robinhood is currently under investigation of SEC because they didn't disclose the order flow issue that they sell to the high frequency trader to their investors, and those investors, especially millennial investors, since they are relatively new in the market, so if there's a lot of they haven't been aware of, the risk is very high. So I'm also concerned about the Robinhood platform, although I feel like this investigation will not affect much, even though that's possibly a 10 million fine, but maybe it will affect some investors on this platform. So next week is a long weekend. Still keep my main platform the same. I'm still figuring out how to hedge my portfolio and to achieve relatively stable return in this uncertainty market. So please let me know what you guys think, where the market will go, and what method do you use to hedge the portfolio. I would love to learn, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!